Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing a very quick and easy aesthetic mod for the B9.5 Audi Allroad. So I love my Audi Allroad a lot. A few things that I would like to change on it, such as when you go inside, really nice in there, interior is quite nice. But honestly, I wish for the price point of $60,000, they would have added some nice sport pedals like they do on the S4. Unfortunately, they did not, and it just looks super cheap. So shame on you, Audi. Shame on you. So what I ended up doing is I ended up going to the local junkyard here in my city, and I ended up picking up all of the sport pedal replacement trim pieces. As you can see, they are 100% OEM. They are used, and I got them for just $100. They are 200 each at the dealer, which is quite a ripoff. So as you can see, we got the dead rest pedal right here, and you can see it's OEM, has the logo and part numbers and stuff, and brake, gas. For all of you that are going to say, well, why don't you just get the same set on AliExpress or eBay that are replicas for about $30 to $40? Well, the thing about that is I had those eBay / Chinese replicas from AliExpress on another car, and let me tell you, the quality is not great. It looks good from far, but it's far from good. When it rains and when you use those pedals, your foot really slips, and you can just tell the quality difference. And if you compare the OEM side by side, the OEM is just much more sturdy and has a more anti-slip surface coating on the rubber pieces, which helps you grip during slippery conditions when it rains and your feet are wet. That is my reason for going used OEM other than Chinese knockoffs on eBay or AliExpress. All you guys will really require is a ratchet and a T30 attached to it. You open up the door and get the hell in here and start working. Use something small for prying, just like this. Just like that. Once that cap is loose, simply just take it off, which exposes that T30 bolt. T30, slide it in there, start loosening that bolt. So now after that bolt is out, you guys can use one of these plastic trim remover tools and slide it in here in the back and start prying. But that's okay if you don't have one of these, it's no big deal. You can just use your hands, they're not that tight. There we go, just like that. Remove it, put it out of the way, off to the side. Now just snug it up, don't over torque it because you'll break the plastic, and that's not gonna be a good day. Now next is gonna be the brake pedal, and you guys just simply take your old one out with both hands, one on each side, and just start pulling and twisting. There we go. This is actually probably the most difficult one because they're on so tight, but once you get that one corner pried with those little rubber clips or whatever, just keep on tugging on this fucking thing. Now that you pulled the brake pedal off, grab your new one, take a look at the back. See the sleeve on the back side? This part, the metal part of the pedal, has to go in behind this part. You can see it has to slide right in. And the gas pedal simply just slides right on from this side, so you take it like that, slip it on. It's the easiest one out of them all, and it doesn't even need a tutorial. So there you guys have it, B9.5 Audi Allroad and B9 sport pedal install. Really simple, just makes your interior that much better.